Hey y'all, it's me Anaya, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today, I'm playing Roblox Adopt Me, and this is not a normal Roblox Adopt Me video. Today, I actually have a special guest. I have my friend with me, and yeah, she will tell some things about herself. Okay, so I just told her that she can tell about herself. So we have been waiting to make this video for you guys in such a long time. We decided, I think, we made one before, but it didn't really work. But yeah, we decided that day. I don't really remember exactly what day that was. But yeah. She is saying, "Hello, I'm Crystal, and I love," and that's tags. Oh, I remember what. Oh, she said it was singing. She said, "Hello, I'm Crystal, and I love to sing, play, role play, and draw. Thanks for telling about yourself." Okay, guys, so I hope that was enough. That was just like a quick thing about herself. She said no problem. But let me explain you what this video is about. So, we're gonna make some outfits in different colors. First, Crystal decides a color, then I decide a color, and the one who makes the best outfit wins. We are gonna have, I think, 4 or 3 rounds. We are gonna look how many rounds we can have. But yeah, we are just gonna get started now. So let's get into it without any further ado. Okay guys, so let's start now. So first, she picks a color. Okay, so I think she's picking a color right now. By the way, comment down below, what is your favorite color? Because I really want to know some of your guys' favorite color. Mine is yellow. Oh, she picked red. Let's dress up in red. I will see if I can find any red pants. I'll be back when we are done. Alrighty guys, we are done. This is my outfit, and Crystal is saying hers is funny. It sure also looks a bit funny, but I don't judge. I actually like the glasses. But first, I'll explain about my outfit. So I got a little cute umbrella, and then I got a little camera. I even made my hair red. Then I got this little cute red outfit with some white shoes. And on my shirt there is some white stripes. Okay, I will tell Crystal to tell about her outfit. Tell about your outfit, Crystal. I'm just gonna tell about your outfit, because if I spell her whole name, it's gonna be really hard, because her name is really long. Okay, so, well, I think I am a weird type of fox, lol. Actually, it actually looks like a fox. She also has 2 ears. So I actually think her outfit is pretty cute. So who won? So first we decide who wins, cause yeah, I don't know, cause we don't have any judges in this, but yeah. Well, I guess it's fine. Okay, I asked her who does she think is gonna win. Aw, thanks. I like your outfit. I like her outfit. But let's say I got the point. Okay, so I won this round. She asked, what's the next color? So let me think. Since my favorite color is yellow, I'm gonna pick that for the last color I pick. So now I'm gonna pick blue. I love the color blue. Yeah. Oh, why did I delete that? Okay, let's get ready. Cool, I love blue. So it seems like Crystal likes blue too. So that's pretty cool. So I think I picked like a really casual outfit this time too. Last time it wasn't actually that casual. Let me just think. Yeah, I actually think this goes, or no, they both go so well. I'm just gonna take this off. Yeah, it was really pretty, but I just don't think it's gonna go with this outfit since this color is blue and that was red. But y'all, I'll be back when we are done. Okay guys, so we are done with our next outfit. And she just asked me why I dressed up my pet. It's 'cause I had too much time. But yeah, we are done with the next outfit and let's explain a bit about it. So first I'm going to explain about my pet's outfit. It has a little cute cap and a backpack. Now I'll explain about my outfit. Yeah, it doesn't have points. No, don't worry. And then I still have my little camera. And then I have my little cozy outfit with my pants and a shoe. I have 2 shoes on, not 1 shoe, but yeah. Here I have like something on my back. I don't know what exactly to call it, but I have something on my back. Now Crystal will explain. I actually think she did really good on this one. And I didn't really do that great. Okay, sorry I'm moving that much, but it's just because I couldn't, see where I was moving. Because I was looking the other way, but yeah, anyway. Is she there? Oh. So why not put it on Roblox? Oh, I don't know what she said. I'm just gonna tell her it was tags. Tags. But I think she said like something like I love sharks. But yeah. I feel bad. It's tags. Okay, it was tags, but yeah. Now she's trying to tell us. I like, yeah. It's still tags. It is okay. It is tags. Don't worry. Okay, but I really like your outfit, so I actually think she got the point this time. You won. It is a great outfit. Like, I like how she put some details on it, like a shark and everything like that. Okay, now she can pick a color. Okay, so now she picks a color. Let's just hope it's not yellow. Oh, pink. Okay. Okay, so there's gonna be only 2 rounds after that. Oh, I don't wanna, dress my Arctic Fox. Okay, guys, so I'll be right back after I am dressed. Okay, so guys, this is the last outfit, and I have a little cute umbrella and a pink hair, like, and a pink shirt, sweater, I don't know what to call it, and this little donut purse, and I have some blue pants and some, yellow shoes. Tell about your outfit. So I thought we were filming before, so she have already, I thought we were filming. Sorry, we were not filming. Now we are. Okay, guys, so I'm so sorry for that, but yeah, I thought we were filming, but we actually weren't. But yeah, yeah, that was really, like, embarrassing. Sorry, guys. But please tell about it. Okay, well, I'm dressed as a pink angel. Cute. Okay, guys, comment down below who you think won. Now we're just going to pick a winner for this round. I think you won. But yeah, let's end the video here, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's end the vid. Oh, thank you y'all so much for watching. It was so great to make this video, and especially with my friend Crystal. I think she really enjoyed it. But yeah, she's also saying bye to you guys. But before you leave, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell down below. Then you will get a notification every time I post something new. Bye guys, see you next time.